Hi boys and girls, today we're going to talk about classifying rational numbers 6.2a. Our learning target is, I can classify whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers using a Venn diagram. You will need your journal and pencil. There's a video that you can watch, just click the link. Remember to pause the video after every vocab word and write the definition and the examples. Alright boys and girls, let's prepare for your notes. Record the following in your journal. Your definitions are going to be rational numbers, integers, whole numbers. And then either on the page next to it or below, you can draw this diagram. You have whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Go ahead and pause the video and put this in your journal. So, before we get started, I want to ask, why do we classify numbers? Why do we give them names like integers or negative or positive numbers or rational numbers? Well, we do this for the same reason we classify anything. We want to make sure that everyone has an understanding of what specific numbers are called and what they mean. After all, there's a difference between the number 25, negative 32, 3/5, and 4 to the second power. Rational numbers are any numbers that can be written as a over b, where a and b are integers, and b cannot be 0. So what that means is when you have a fraction and it is 4 over 0, that's no way. It's not going to work. This b right here cannot be 0. So that is incorrect. But you can have a numerator as 0 and 4 as a denominator. That is okay. So one of the things I remember is no way, okay. You can also have negative or positive decimal numbers. Negative 1 and 75 hundredths is rational, and 1 and 75 hundredths is irrational. 1 and 3/4, which is a mixed number, is irrational, and 4/5 is irrational. Let's make that negative. All of these are rational numbers. Pause the video and write the definition and examples. Integer is a set of all whole numbers and their opposites. So when we talk about integers, in classifying numbers, it's going to be the negative whole numbers. So negative 7 is an integer, negative 8 is an integer, negative 100 is an integer, and negative 4 is an integer. So when we're talking about integers in itself and we're classifying, these are all integers. They are negative whole numbers. Pause the video, write the definition and the examples. Whole numbers are the set of all counting numbers plus 0. So they are all positive whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, all positive whole numbers. Pause the video and write the definition and the examples.